Hi, my name's Steve. I live in Gilbert, Arizona, and I just want to talk to you for a minute. We had a gas line that broke, that wasn't installed correctly, so I called Jay Monday and met with Jay. He was nice enough to come out and assess our property. He pretty much laid out the plan that we were going to take place, and he came in with his crew and he did exactly what he says. His crew and were just so professional, on time, communicated wonderfully, but they did a great job, and now we got a lot of peace of mind now knowing that this gas line that we have that feeds both our kitchen and our spa is safe and secured. And I can't tell you how much I appreciate, and that I would recommend Jay Monday and his company for whether you have plumbing or gas line to be installed. He's your guy.